Do you ever wonder how to make that beautiful blue-green tropical ocean color? Well, it took me years to figure it out, but it's really quite simple. It's just using shades of blue and yellow. Duh, it sounds so obvious, but try mixing phthalo blue deep with either a cad yellow light or a cad yellow medium. So slide on over with me. I'm going to use the medium today, and let's see where it gets us. All right, so here's my paints, and I'm just gonna get, actually, I'm gonna get a little bit of my yellow, and a little bit of my blue. Such a beautiful blue. All right. And I have white, of course, because we want to lighten it, but let's just see, let's just take a little bit, bring it over here, and see how we can play around with this. All right. Now, we've seen some oceans that are a beautiful, almost electric green, and it's really cool. And so let me just show you what happens. You may not want that green, but look at already it's a blue-green shade and really so tropical. And all I did, it was a quick mix. I just did that, and I could go even lighter by bringing in more of the white and making it even lighter. And it's that beautiful tropical color. And so let's just see. Of course, if I want it more blue, I just bring in more of the blue. But let's just play around with this and see what it looks like on here, because, oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites. One of my favorite colors to work with, because for me, it's just so soothing and calming. And here's the darker shade. As you would get deeper into the water, right? And that is a beautiful blue-green. Let's just get some more paint on it. And it looks so nice when you use the contrast of those different shades of the light and the dark. And all I did was take phthalo blue and cad yellow and mix it. And if I want to make it a little more on the bluer side, well, I just bring in more, I throw it off balance a little, right? Let's just see what that would look like over here. There's that deep, beautiful blue-green. Oh my gosh, it looks just like, and I come back over here. Do you see how they interact with each other? And that's all it is bringing in those two different colors, and this is what you get. And you play around with the richness of the colors that you want by mixing that proportions, losing my thought here, but the proportions of the blue and the yellow. I like that blue-green color, and that's the color I'm forever chasing, and I have the hardest time sometimes. But if you just get it to that shade you want there, and then you can just add white, it is the most warm and soothing and calming ocean color that you can get. So try it and see how it goes for you. It's a beautiful, more custom way to get that beautiful ocean blue.